In this video, I'll show you how to enable Cash App check deposit. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so on your mobile device, open the app itself right here. Alright, so first off, look for My Cash tab or balance section within the app, or simply go to add cash or deposit check right here. The specific wording may vary, but if you're looking for an open option related to adding funds or depositing a check, you need to go to more ways to add money. So here, recurring deposits, scan with your phone or direct deposit. Now, the thing is, if you don't see this option right here, okay, that means your account needs to be verified. All right. So not everyone can have this option right here. So all I gotta do, there's two ways to work around on that if you don't have that option. Right? Simply here, if you can enable direct deposits to regularly and automatically deposit your paycheck to your Cash App, that's good. That's the first method, right? Earlier, you can do that. If you don't have that option, you simply need to verify your account. And by doing so, you need to contact the Cash App customer support service right here. Right? So, again, open your account. Go to, hover down below, go to support. Click something else or start a chat and ensure that you declare all the information about your situation, that you are having problems and you need some guidance on how to enable Cash App check deposit, and you can't find the option on your mobile app. All right, and after that, the contact support will be more than glad to assist you with anything about your enabling your cash deposit. And that's how you simply